naman. Dito lang ano. Buwandi, makagising din pala.
Michael Jackson niya ko.
Michael Jackson niya.
Michael Jackson niya ko. Michael Jackson.
Buwandi ah.
Baka manuwa siya po.
Munwa pa yan ba? Munwa pa. Ay, lakas ng ulan. Kanina walang ulan. Ay, gising na si Rising. Ayan o.
Pass through. Pass through.
Gising na. Ay, kanina ba uling malapit sa Kingkayan, Manila Bay. Mexicaning around. What? It's been raining in Manila. Di ka ba nilalamig? Ada ding airplane na riding, no? Oo. Go there soon. Go there soon. Oh my God. Sparkle. So, dami ano. Oh my God. This is sparkle.
Tapak.
Sapak parking.
Drak na ko kita kay Nur ulit.
Full
Ulit.
parking po.
Already yun kayo ka.
Where am I shoes first?
Kasi magkailangan
Ay,
malaki.
wear your shoes na. Wow. You got your golden ticket? Show me. Show me your golden ticket. Kita. Okay. Oh, look. Oh. Wow, you got your golden ticket now. Oh. How about me? Wow, I got my golden ticket too. Oh. Video. Oh, that's Racing's passport.
USA.
Wow, meron na siyang visa.
American boy.
Ay, you get keto. You ask them. Can I have one seat? Sparkle.
Yung 2.5.
Ay. Ang talit ang donut tamo.
Envelope, no rin yun.
So kami charge. Ito makalingwan ako naman din passport.
Hindi pa dinalagay ni Joe.
Wow, IMC Home Depot. Yan pala yun, no? This is to Mami's work before. That one. That building over there, oh. The gold one.
Soler.
Soler.
Yung dati yan naman dalan niyo, dalan eh.
Ini. Dati yan niyo.
Yan eh.
Yung adim. Ayan, kulungan kami mag-training. Ay, may kayo. Ma-ax. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to see MOA and
Balong may bang MOA and IKEA. Oh, excited to go to IKEA.
probably.
Probably. Ayan yung dati nakapagbigyan daddy eh.
What?
To go to IKEA.
Because
We're in the Shell Hotel.
The Shell Hotel. Oh, balo niya pa yung Shell Hotel. Tamo.
Papa ka naman lang ako swimming pool.
IKEA.
Oh, it's your first time going to IKEA parking. Second time to IKEA parking. We're so intrigued. Ano? The church also nice. Nakapalinog ka hanggang malamba na akong magkaide. Nakato ko lang din eh. The parking, second time on the parking. Move closer. Oh, there's the it's digitalized. It's automatic. They just scan the the plate number. Then when you go out, you just put your phone number, your plate number on the machine.
Kiosk.
Yeah, the kiosk. Then you pay.
I already go to IKEA.
2 times, but you didn't enter the IKEA store. Right?
It's Dalumdong.
You turn on
It
the...
still counts, though. It still counts.
Still counts.
Yeah.
Oh, let's check. Let's check. Because he didn't go there. Oh my God, what's that?
Panirok ko.
Nanto? Kaya ito, wala ka rin?
I don't know.
Nanto?
Laman makagrin.
Atin ang green? Ano, no? Lalawin ko. Ito ting mga green, pero yakbal na niyang green. Spacious motorcycle. Okay.
Jack,
Tanang
as
kabila.
Ayan o, palakone sa baka kaya food.
Ganyan, isa kayo. Ganyan tulog. Pwede tayo nakain yan eh. Alanganin yun.
Ayan, kadakal ito o. Kadakal o.
So many. You can fit a...
Ayan o.
You can
Giving kayo ng van.
Also,
Paharap pa, likod pa.
Also, big the parking space. You can fit a plane here. You can fit a plane here.
Paharap ka, pagulot.
Under the table. You like that?
Wala, may paminta kayo nini. Lalawin, kita nga nalalawin na. To showroom entrance, ayan. O, apin niya ning kaiin. Ken kami nalbe. Nga nalagyan. Apin na, o. Ayan o, mantaya. Ayan ka no, IKEA. IKEA. Excited dyan lang. May lunayan dili kaya katamo. Oo, ida. Isaya kang mag-food tasting kaya mga nyan.
I don't see no furnitures.
No furniture. You only want food tasting, that's why you want to go here. You're a furniture owner, you want to go here? It's the same. Bisaya ka nung mag-over IKEA. You want to work here? Ha?
Oh, I want to be a singer.
Ah, singer ka no? So, kami naluwane. You want to be a singer. Okay, Michael Jackson, hurry up. Oh, sing na, sing. Manyad lang kay. Manyad lang. like it. What will you do?
Dapat ka natin eh. Bago.
Oh,
Where's the entrance?
unang gawin tama, nagtapa ka niyan.
Bayad lang kitang gagawin.
Why? What's that? Okay. So, fourth floor. O niya, manakira nitang anak. Wala yun, me. Makatas siya pabitis. Ang ganda dito. Oh, hello ta. Hello. Yan o. Excited boy. Solheta. Something na. Solheta. Ito. Pintorp. Shop.
We all know furniture shop naman.
First time seeing your furniture store? Not our furniture.
No, first time seeing furniture.
Oh, look. This one. 129 soft toy. 150. Oh. Manipis lo. Hindi tampan na ng daddy ko, Denny.
Ang gawa no?
Tapo ka ng shampoo.
Lalabos boss.
Patsura lang eh. You could sleep here. Na, mango piyaka ka niyan. Design na Reynald. Ito, sofa bed oh. Saan tayo? Wapin. Dapat makantay ng kwarto ng Christoph. Dapat makanining kwarto ng Christoph yung bed na.
No stepping, no stepping.
Nung this one, no? Makanyan yung bed ko, eh. Yan, no? Cabinet, oh. 25,000 niya yan, no? Ayan, no? Ano yung kitchen? Kitchen? O, sige na. Pwede naman umapak yun, eh. Oo. Lumal kami pala kita. Atin palang balikin. Yung kitchen.
Hey,
Ay,
guys.
din favorite kong mga mati. Dapat makanini na paling sa saluan ko. Oh.
Hey guys.
Bangila mo mati. Ito, oh.
Hey guys.
Amu! Oh, hey guys.
Look at my
Oh, let's... Diyos ko, makanini yung sala. Tamang pang dining. Makanini yan dapat kadagol. Wow, yan. Diyo, makanyan paggawa mo pag may kabaleta mo na.
Yan eh.
Oo.
Yung maluparap eh.
First we got the wrap.
Oh.
Many foods. But they're all fake.
Wala all day fake.
They're all fake. Don't mind that.
Oh, don't mind that.
We got the microwave.
Oh yeah, this is an oven. This is the microwave.
And this one is the kitchen area.
Uy, ganagan na nga kakit mo, Ken.
You can scrub. You want scrub ready?
Siguro mo.
And this is the
Jo, maaninin na ding handle ta mo, oh.
Dulo ko saling makanina.
Yan eh.
and we can
Alay eh. Mala sigurado din magkano yun. 2,000 niya mo yun eh. Black, white. Nano yun niya ba? Freedom. O sa luwan tane yan, oh. 2,000 niya mo, oh. Oh.
and here guys, this is the dining room.
Yeah, the dining room. Ay, sanding na nita, oh. Huwag kumaan nito. Glass. Ito.
Don't mind my food. Don't mind my food.
Oh, let's go na. On the other, ano na. come here na.
Bye-bye, guys. I have a tour of my house.
Jordan, hindi itong luklukan. Kaya ni. Hindi na mo. Jo.
I eat first.
Eh, this one, oh.
Eat first.
This is our... Buwi kong... Jo, buwi kong lamesa mga nini oval. Yan, oh, lang eh. Oh.
Balik ko.
Ay, hindi. Dito po sinabi.
What? Is that your room? Ini, makanya niya. 500. Makanya niya. Kakabit lang yung sofa. Ne? Rap, lawin mo la dito, Rap. Bubik sofa bed. Ito oh. Ayan, sofa bed. Para king kai.
Sa tanah pera, tako na. Kaya agis ng apak yung tanah.
This one. Oh, you buy this ka no para king kai. It's 30,000.
I can only browse my mind. And found 18 million.
Teka, anong pababagyan eh?
Ala,
Kaya nilangan.
alang yaksit ken, keta mo. Metong eh. Nangigsena. Aigsi ako. Ba, kalat-kalat yun.
Parang na naman, no?
Magkanya. Sali ka yan, oh.
Ano refill na ako?
Ayun. Alin yung magkanya?
29 yun yan.
O, saluan me.
Wala yung balas niya, oh, bro.
Ay, hindi pinimbalas,
Ah.
oh.
Oragulda.
130. Apa iyo.
May sari, o itanang kira yung salita. Pwede lagi itong kira? Balas?
Halila, madagulo. O, yun yung magkanya
Salita
yun
niya
eh.
itong balas ng kira, sayang yun.
Exeking a roller.
Ikaw mo yung
O, kalat-kalat yun. Mapangalat ka kasi eh.
Reloading. Reloading.
Sige, balik mo yan.
Iking dagkar throw na nini. Na otuso king US hingkain eh. No amon to.
Couch.
Kenita mo oh.
Do.
Lawen no ding supa kung cha 6,000 na deta. Ito deta supa. Balaya buwen eh. So comfy. Tayo pen. Is that 4,000? 3 months into 12. It's 12,000. This is 12,000. Comfy ang ano rising.
Para kayo.
Malati.
Paano to? Come here, Ma.
Oh. Oh, what? Oh, just come here.
Ano ka this?
99,000. Wow, so mahal.
And 8
Come here. Accent chair, oh. Ganyan mo, this one to 20,000, no? Yeah, that's what I like. This is what I like. Sleeper sofa. Tawo. This one. Sa 800 lang mo. Oh, pagbukas ayan.
Pagbukas na ba yung pasa?
Ay, ning etong ala,
Check out sa'yo, no?
continue shopping. Sinaliyang kaya, ay sinaliyang malati ng bag. Tayo. Karap yata ito. Oh, can I see your shopping bag?
Oh, my shopping bag.
Oh, wow. So small.
This can fit. Let's see if this can fit.
Ay, yung bolster pillow, oh.
What time is it na?
Time to go to your, ano,
Let's go.
to your...
Taking ring.
Eh, ako malo ka. Kukot lang. First time ko pa, Kenny.
Oh, man.
Sabi mo, check out.
Saan ang second bag ko? Oh. Oh, this fits.
Kaya pa kaya niya. Tapos tulungin na. Tulungin na ng pampa.
Where's the key?
Ba, alwayan lang kaya. And then,
Where's the key?
bathroom. Do you need some bathroom? I need.
What is only fit?
No, I want, I want
This is only
towel. You check for towels if there is. Ating
This is
towel?
only this is
No.
This is only fit oh. Only in my shopping bag.
Oh no, this is hand towel. 70. Moonwalk. Michael Rising Jackson. Michael Rising Jackson. Ayan tang exit ng kentang kanyan. L2. Gawin mo kaking kayan.
Oo,
Sige.
burin hindi ka magdala.
Punta na kaking kaya. Paninayan da ka. Paninayan da na ka? Ha? O sige. Punta na kami ketang nga pa. First time skating. Wow. Third time. Oh, Michael Jackson. Oh, you like IKEA? You like? No. Oh, I thought you wanted to work in IKEA.
I didn't say that.
Oh, you went to IKEA now. What's your say?
I'm kind of bored.
Huh?
There's no workers.
There's no work.
Here, only customers.
Ganyan mo. This is IKEA, the entrance. Ayan. Oh, selfie. Let's have a selfie here. Come here. Oh, selfie. Come here. Come here. You here. Oh, yan o. Oh, selfie, mirror shot. Oh, come here, you mirror shot. Go! Uy, Richard, bangay ka kena. Tama. This is IKEA. Okay, tama. IKEA. IKEA. I picture you an IKEA. Okay. You just leave it there. Smile! Rob, smile! Oh, look, Rising. 1, 2. Okay, good. You wear your shoes na. Be careful. You know how to put it? You know? Companion pass. Only 100. You check. Maplala mo na din kaya? I-clip mo na din kaya? You check if it's ano? If it fits. It's ano? Balama ka sa higing kini mo. Makaside yun. Ha? Makaside yan talaga. Okay. Oh, stand up. Smile. Look at me. 1, 2. Oh, your shoes put mo kayong chair. Kaya nalalam yan. Good. Keta. Bung sa amin pa yan po to. Keta. Oh, picture. 1, smile. Look at me. Okay, good. Rap, ikaw rap. Look at me, rap. 1, 2. Okay. Kaya? Sige na.
Hello, please help you.
Ano nang niya mo?
Kuota na mo. Kuota na. Kumana ka ngayon eh.
Here, and mother always told me, I've been careful what you do.
Wait. Oh. You want the red one?
Yeah.
Baligtad yan. Magmakanyan ka?
Ganun niya ba itong color? O mali yung resibo ng mama?
At yun yung bayad? Ala, di ka man. Sabi ko kasi din nga luwa, lalakwan do mo. Yang kay kami. Kaya nakakuma. Or pwede kang kumana. Din nga luwa, kukuha ng dili daw. Ala naman kang magbante. Maigpit yan. Bal niyang i-recharge ang Poy Francine. Sa 250 mo yung binayad do. Wow, gangalalang ID. Ngayon na kaigpit ng kay. Kitang kulay black din kaya ko. Ditong madagul. Crazy nating small, oh. Small yan. Eh, nakamagmakan yan. Sige, it's okay. It's not fit. Oh, go. Sige na. Sige, it's okay. It's okay. He's big na. Na, pagating kay, kumana kayo mo. No, you can do it. Alam mo mag-polar bear, oh.
Mag-jacket kayo ganyan mga lang.
Oh, mag-jacket ka. Ausan nyo lang pag design mag-jacket. Sige na. Oh. Sige na, practice. Sige na, go. Alay kang magbantay. O, lawin mo yung rap-rap. O. Sige na. Sideways. Look what? No polar bear. Look, look. Polar bear. Tingala, look at the other one. They don't even use that one. How can you learn to do it by yourself? I see. Picture po. Picture po. May picture kayo saan nga duwa kito? Rapote ako, pamunta kami. Rising. Rising! Rob! Smile! Smile! Look at me! Fade! Smile! Look at me! Smile! Your ano? Yan. 1, 2, smile! Okay, good. You okay? Smile! Look at me. Okay, 1, smile. Okay, tama. Only small. Small. Tang only ano.
Only no hawak.
Let's check. Ketang banda. I hold your ano. No, don't hold. I hold it. Okay. Oh, look at me. Look at me. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. Go. Diba you know naman how to skate even without ano? No, you know. Ba't ayaw mo na? Joke. Uy, like kaya be rising? Sabi na.
Binggan.
O, tiyan mo lang palit.
Igala-gala naman yung kabulo pa niretong unit. Islam lang.
Pwede bang papalit ito? Saan? Lamig kaya rising.
Sprain ko pa na bengi.
Ha?
Sprain ko na bengi yung banglo.
Bakit?
May paper mo pa yan.
Ha?
Paper mo pa yan mo ko.
O, yung rising?
Bantaya ko pa rin.
Okay, mo yan, dile? Okay. Rising! Rising! Sing! Rising! 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 Okay, last one. It's time na. Exit na. Hi! It's time na. One last round or what? You want one more? No? Let's go na. Oh, come here na. Rising! Joe, shoes! Joe! Joe! Shoes! Joe! Joe! You call daddy. You remove your shoes na. Yung ano yan. Ay, Bridin, mag-enjoy ako. May isa pa mo. Okay, amo.
Gawin siya ng receipt.
Aliyo? Daban kayo. Tinawi me. Block? Paano niyang pamangan nito ya? Yung mo food hall. Bala mo sauce ya. Wow, cute. Yan, gusto na niyang kumain dyan. Yan, mga burger and si Chami boy. Chami boy.
You're racing.
Hayanese chicken pala. Manya. Pagkuhan mo na yan nandun ya.
Minsan may ulam.
Okay mo yung naman lagi na yan. Wow, you have ano in a ball.
I don't like this chip.
That's chip.
I don't like this. I don't like the taste of this chip.
Richard, always.
Wala pa dito kasi lang. Huli mo na.
Okay.
Wala mo lang anong bulog.
Friday. Okay. Right. Kaya pa, right?
It's tender.
Ha?
Tender.
It's tender. Oh my God. Right. Kaya pa, right?
It's tender.
Ha?
Tender.
It's tender. Oh my God. Wow, you have ano in a ball.
I don't like this chip.
That's chip.
I don't like this. I don't like the taste of this chip.
Richard, always.
Wala pa dito kasi lang. Huli mo na.
Okay.
Wala mo lang anong bulog.
Friday. Okay. Okay. Hayanese chicken pala. Manya. Pagkuhan mo na yan nandun ya.
Minsan may ulam.
Okay mo yung naman lagi na yan.